Out on the eastern plains, ranchers are preparing for this storm. Blizzard conditions can be extremely dangerous for livestock, especially young and newborn calves. Sean Chitna is following the story for us tonight. Joins us live along I-70. And Sean, this storm is certainly going to have a big impact out there.
Well, Karen, it's this stretch of I-70 that often closes when we see storms like the one expected tomorrow coming through. And this part of Colorado is certainly on alert, preparing for that blizzard. Ranchers in Kiowa tell us they are already taking the steps needed to make sure their animals will be safe because they know they won't be able to handle those high winds.
This kind of a storm that they talk like's coming is really always a big concern.
Charlie Carnahan is a fourth-generation cattle rancher in Kiowa. He knows what a storm can do to the animals his family has raised for more than a century.
It can really be hard on these little calves, especially if they're newborn. Come here, little bud.
This calf was born just days ago, premature. At about 50 pounds today, she should be around 80.
If they're a week older or so, they can take a lot.
So this storm is coming just a few days too soon for her. A little after a year from now, she'll be more than 1,000 pounds.
If they've got just a little shelter like this shed here, they can get in it or behind it, wherever the wind's coming from.
The calves and pregnant cows have shelters like this for the storm. And even the bulls can use a shed to help give them some protection from the winds. Ranchers also try to give cows as much hay in advance to keep them heavy.
Have them full when the storm hits, so they're full and they got some feed in them.
But beyond that, this family can only ride out the storm along with their animals, which they've done since the 1860s.
Just not a whole lot more we can do.
And Charlie tells us he and some other ranchers may end up getting lucky because the storm is happening this week. He says most of the calves on his ranch show up in late March, and he has plenty of pregnant cows he expects to give birth next week. Reporting live tonight, Sean Chitna, covering Colorado First.
Yeah, going to be tough for them. All right, Sean, thank you.